Hi divers out there. So today's topic I want to be talking about tanks. So I know that you guys travel a lot and stuff like that. When you assemble your kit or a dive center assemble the kit for you, when you do your leisure dive, do check on the tank, okay? So tanks, there is two type of metal for the tank. One is steel and the other one is aluminum. So on the tank, it does have markings, so you need to find that out where is things are. So right here, what I'm holding here, you see here, that it says 3AL aluminum type and 3000, so it can go PSI to fill this tank up. Then remember, each country there is a law when the tank need to hydro. I'm in Malaysia, and basically in Malaysia right now the law is 5 years that you need to hydro. So then we need to find the date, okay, of the hydro. So right here, okay, so that's a lot of markings here. It's all about the previous year of hydro, so you need to find the latest year. So the latest hydro for this one, it was in 2016. Now it's year 2020. That's 4 years. So definitely at the end of the season we need to send this tank for hydro. Don't forget that there is hydro and there is also visual inspection of tanks. Visually inspection of tank needs to be done every year. So don't forget that. Visual inspection and hydro is totally two different things. Visual inspection is where we have to look overall of the tank, yeah, the condition of it, okay, outside, okay, and basically we also have to look at the inside of the tank and take all the cap off, yeah, basically getting it clean every year. That's definitely every year needs to be done. Hydro, it's depending on the law. So yeah, just to share it with you on the terms of tanks, and you need to be aware of that, and do check on the marking, at least those two as a diver, okay? And always smell your air too whenever that you set up your gears. Do check out on the link under the description below for how to gear up your kit and how to even properly gear up and smell your tank and stuff like that for more tips, okay? Thank you so much you guys for watching. Till then, bye, safe diving.